So over here you can see that I got this particular page right here. And then let's say, for example, if someone were to actually visit my site, then they would actually get to the home page first. And then from there on only they will be able to go ahead and then navigate to different pages. But let's say I want to set another page as the home page. Let's say, for example, I want to set the course page as home page. Let's say, for example, in that case, you can simply go around over here onto the pages section. And then let's say, for example, I'm going to go around over here onto manage section in pages. And now in order to turn the courses to the home page, simply go ahead and click and drag the courses on the top, and you see a home icon besides it right here, just like this. So now if someone were to actually go ahead and access your website, then they will see the courses page first because that has been set as the home page. So you can go ahead and keep any page on the top, and that particular page will be the home page. So you can see that now testimonials page is the home page that I have right here. So if I were to go ahead and refresh right here just like this, I am in the testimonial page, although it is not there in the menu because it is set as the home page. So even if any page is hidden, you can set it as a home page, but whenever someone actually navigates, they don't have an option to go back to that particular page. So that is simply how you can go ahead and set out any page as home page inside of Strikingly. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.